For 2025, with the global trend of increasing focus on advanced technology and sustainability, the 2025 Audi A3 is likely to introduce a more advanced infotainment system. This could include a larger touchscreen, a premium audio system, as well as better integration with wearable devices and an over-the-air (OTA) software update system. Safety and driver assistance features will also see significant improvements. Audi could potentially integrate semi-autonomous driving technology and a more advanced object recognition system to enhance safety and driving comfort. Features such as smarter adaptive cruise control and a more responsive collision avoidance system are expected to be standard on the 2025 model. One of the anticipated highlights is electrification. With the global push towards eco-friendly vehicles, Audi may introduce a hybrid or plug-in hybrid version of the A3. Improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions over the conventional engine variant may also be part of the innovation. Performance and handling are other areas that are likely to receive special attention. Audi may make adjustments to the suspension and drivetrain to offer a more responsive and dynamic driving experience. Additionally, improvements in engine and transmission options are expected to result in better performance and higher fuel efficiency. The design and interior of the 2025 Audi A3 are expected to see an update with more modern and stylish design elements. Interior features such as premium materials, better ergonomics, and wider customization options are likely to be additional draws for consumers. As for pricing, the 2025 Audi A3 is likely to be priced slightly higher than the outgoing model, with an estimated price tag starting at around $35,000 to $45,000, depending on the variant and feature options. This price may vary based on the configuration and additional options selected. For more details, viewers are advised to keep an eye on Audi's official announcements ahead of the new model's launch.